Hello friends, today I'm going to show you that if you want to install a broader tire, a wider tire in your Pulsar 150, then you can do it. In Pulsar 150 we have the stock tire of size 180/17, and in Pulsar 150, 200 and 220 we have this size, that is 120/80/17. They have MRF tire though, but I have installed a Seat tire, Seat Zoom. That's a very nice tire. It looks thin, but it's very broad tire. You can see here Seat 120, 80 and 17 are the measurements. And one more thing friends, I've installed a 180 bracket in my Pulsar 150. If you want to done this in your bike, you will be needing a reliable mechanic, because most of the mechanics deny to do that. That is the tire and that is bracket. Thank you. Do watch. Thank you for watching.